Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to use a Google Drive by expert user as some tips. Okay, this video for beginner and you regular use. You have to know idea this advanced tips and the more of feature this Google Docs. Google Drive. You just use some file upload, but you have to know this more of feature. When you know this feature, this is really useful. You better feel. Okay, let's start it. First, we go to the Google Drive. This see the logo Google Drive. We're going here. You can see next. This is my slider. I am typing creating a file. How to use a Google Drive. You can see this is automatically save is the Google Drive. Because your Gmail, you can see here this Gmail all of working apps you can use, and all of work automatically save your Google Drive, because this all of work is automatically saved when you don't need to press a Ctrl S button keyboard. It is automatically saved. Okay, and now I am creating a folder, a new folder. This is you give a name, work, homework. You can see here this is creating a label, and again mouse right button click and new folder, office work, homework, office work, new folder. Again you can create another work, new folder for and friends, photo, new folder, video. Okay. We are creating a folder, you can see, and I am uploaded a new work, home photo, office work, photo, video, and you can edit the name, and you can also change this color. This is the color you can change here. This is the red color. This color is changed. You can see this all of color is a black, but when you need to change this color or the same type of name, this folder, you can really easily can change this color. Okay, and you can see this is two option. This is the list of view, and this is the grid view. Okay, you better understand and you useful go to you can easily, and you can also use a 15 GB and more you need to use. You definitely buy your Google Store 100 GB you can buy, and more of wanted more of package is available here, but just to go to the buy store, that's a Google Drive. You need more space, and you share any of folder anyone, your friend or family or office. Just click this photo, mouse right button click, and you can share. See the share button, and when you select this share option, this is the owner, this Gmail, and you can type here any type of Gmail, then you can done, and then your friend hello @gmail.com. okay, you can see this is the hello @gmail.com, and you can send editor or commenter and a viewer, anything you can send. Just a send option, he is get this owner. Okay, and you copy this link. You can see here this is the restricted option. You copy this link and you can share any one person. You must be change this option anyone with the link, then you can copy the link, and you can share any of your friend inbox or another message, you can send the link. He easily access this folder, okay, and he can download, and you when you share this link, here he is also download, and you can copy this share link, and when you share this is directly access, then you can viewer, commenter, editor. He is only viewer, not to download. A commenter and editor are also download here, okay. And get this and show a folder location, and you can add a star mark here. You can also add here, and this rename, change color and search photo, and you can also search here. You need to I am creating a video, and you create a more folder here, movie, okay, and you can my drive, and you can search here a movie, enter, press, and you can go to your folder. When you use more of folder, you have to no idea which folder where, just search here this name and this location, and more of search of list is here. This is for help you, okay, and this is interest or storage or encrypt of anything. Most of search of item is here is available when your file big of storage is here, okay. And when you click here a new drive, this is also option, this new folder, and this is also your Google Docs, Google Sheet also add is here, and this is the settings option. You can buy a storage, okay, and you can see here this is the add-on option. You can add any type of add-on for help your Google Drive more of facilities to give you, okay. And you can just drag and drop your computer file, automatically add this here, and you also see how many people access this folder, and you can also remove him, okay. This is only one user, this is only one this owner, and you must be see add this option, because when you without a net connection, you have no net connection, you need to access your Google Drive. You just see ready to offline, you just on this option, offline preview. You must now you see available from offline, but otherwise when you online, and you cancel your net connection, you do not see this data, but right now you can see also your data, but you have to not download. You can also just see, okay. This is really helpful, I think, for you. Okay guys, and you delete any folder, you can delete offline preview, and you do not need to delete here, and when you on right now, you can delete your all of details, okay. You can see here offline I am not delete this here, and right now I am remove here, and this is not a totally delete, this is going to trace. I am restore this here, okay, and I am also started this is the star, and recent I am working this folder, and share with me. You have to any file of share people, you can see here easily, okay. Offline work, you do not use all of data delete or anything, okay. Okay guys, you have to any of question, please leave a comment, I will help you give you answer. Okay guys, best of luck, thank you so much, and subscribe.